Parts of speech. Today we're going to dive deeper into English grammar and learn about the different parts of speech. But before we start, let me ask you a question. Do you like to play word games? You know, like Scrabble or Boggle? Well, if you want to be a pro at those games, you'll need to know your parts of speech. Trust me, it will give you an edge over the competition. So, let's get started. The 8 parts of speech are nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Each one of these parts of speech plays a different role in a sentence, and it's important to know them so you can use them correctly. Let's start with nouns. Nouns are words that represent a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, the teacher, person, New York, place, pizza, thing, love, idea. Verbs, on the other hand, describe an action or state of being. For example, I run, action. She is, state of being. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns or pronouns. They add color and detail to a sentence. For example, the fluffy, adjective, cat, noun. Adverbs, like adjectives, describe or modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They tell us how, when, or where an action is performed. For example, she sings, verb, beautifully, adverb. Pronouns take the place of a noun and describe the person or thing. For example, she, pronoun, is a doctor, noun. Prepositions show relationships between nouns and other words in a sentence. They usually show direction or location. For example, the cat, noun, is under, preposition, the table, noun. Conjunctions join words, phrases, or clauses together. For example, I'll have pizza, clause, and, conjunction, soda, clause. And finally, interjections are words or phrases that show strong emotions. They are often followed by an exclamation mark. For example, wow. Interjection, that was amazing. Phrase. Well, there you have it. The 8 parts of speech in a nutshell. We'll go into more detail about each of these in later lessons. So, now that you know them, I challenge you to play some word games and see how well you can use them in sentences. And remember, the more you practice, the better you'll become.